Normally, reports are used to get a data in an organized and systematic way. We go to QA32 report is editable report. We execute it, then we get the list of all the lots whose usage decision is not done by default. Okay. And if we go to QA33, which is a display mode for the list of inspection lots which are present. Normally, clients ask you to give a customized report if they want to get some specific kind of information. You can make the changes and change the layout if required as per the requirement. You want to see the result entered for the inspection lot. And for that, it is QGA2. Enter. It's a display inspection result. If I delete the date filter, okay, and click on execute, click on this date-wise, how many lots are created. Select this and expand how many lots are created, what is the origin of it. Prefix will tell you the origin also, and in that, what are the operations, what are the MICs which are used, what is the current status of this lot, okay, whether UD has been done and all, and what are the valuation. And similarly, another report which we frequently use for results, QGA4. We need to tell the layout, okay, and the number of views you want. Let me select one, and if I execute it, how many lots are there, and the plants and the origin, even the group and group counter details. Here you also get the option of inspection lot, information you want, or the notification and other. If I select any inspection lot and I want to get the information of these characteristics detail in a tabular format, then we can specify here the view, okay, create view. In this same report only, I can get the information either in the tabular format or in the graphical format. If I want the information in the graphical format, what kind of graph you want to generate, that you can specify. If the correct data is there, you can generate the chart, the graphical format also. But at present, let me select say table. And if I want to see the characteristics detailed at the table level, then on the right side, you will be able to see the details. Since I have selected both the MIC, it is showing me width and heights. We can export the data if required in the required format for it. And if you double click on it, it will explore the further details for it. Explore the reports on the Fiori. We can enter the login details. So this is the home page. And if you know the name of the tile or the report you are looking for, then you can directly enter here in the search criteria. Suppose if I enter say display inspection lot or Worklist, I can enter. Initial screen is similar only. You can select the list setting, whether you want all the lots without usage decision or with usage decision. That kind of filter you can apply. In the menu, system and status will tell you the T code which is running for this type. So it is QA33. This is the program name. Then click on execute. You will get all the lots which are present and what is the system status for it. If I select this one, okay, where the UD has been done, and you click on usage decision, then you can check the data which is maintained, like the usage decision is accepted, stock posting is completed, all the other details. So, and similarly, you get the option for results, display defects. If you have entered the defects, you can see the defects also, or even the inspection lot details for it. Okay, so let me go back. And here on top, again, you will get the filters which you can apply, like dynamic selection is there. If you want, you can create a variant and then you can use that variant also in this. Okay, and even the default settings you can maintain, like how you maintain in QA 33 or 32 report. Okay, so this is one report which we can check. Let me go back. Either you know the name of the tile or the application, then you can search it here. Or let me go to this and select QM Analytics. Okay, because that is specifically for the quality management. Then the tiles which are relevant to it will come. Let's say display inspection result. If I say the T code which is used. So it is QGA2, which means it will give date-wise inspection result report. Let's execute this. Click on this expand node. Okay. Then date-wise, you can get the list of the lots which are created. Inspection time 89, and how many lots are created on this particular date. If you want to expand all, select this and click on expand. MICs which are tested. Okay, what is the material? What is the current status of this particular inspection lot? Whether the UD has been done or not? What is the valuation for it? How many are inspected? If we select this one, suppose, either you can double click on it, then it will open the details further, what value we have entered for it. Okay, and how much is the inspected and all. Let's go back. The quality score is coming if the usage decision has been done. Let's go back. If you want, you can enter the filter at the initial level for the MICs also. Lower half, because sometimes client, they ask you that for this particular MIC, we want to see the results. Then you can specify the MIC or the plant which you are looking for. Enter say length and then click on execute. Wherever the MIC with the name length is there. If you want to explore the details, here you can see MIC is length is present in this. Select say anyone out of it and then you click on detailed information. Then since I have selected the inspection lot, it will open the detail of the inspection lot. Okay, like what is the quantity, sample size, the plan which is assigned. So let's go back. Let's see this one, display general QM evaluation. It is actually a QGA4 report only, just now which I have shown you, where we can check the data in the tabular and the graphical format. Need to tell the layout. Okay, so I can select the standard layout and we need to tell the views. Let's select one and then click on execute. And if you want to see the details of say inspection lot, you can select the inspection lot, select the view which you want to, in which you want the data to be displayed. And if I want to see the inspection lot information at the table level, you can select that one. And on the right side, then you will get the information of this inspection lot. The origin 89 and the task list, group and group counter detail. For the details, you can check easily. Let's go back. You can export the data if required. And if you select this again, if you click on details, it will open the details only in this. Okay, so let's go back. Let's see the another tile, which is inspection lot analytics. Okay, so if I select this one, chart is coming by the time series. Color indicators are given for the number of accepted lots and the rejected lots. Even the lots which are skipped, that is highlighted, and the rejection rate in percentage. Year wise, at present it is giving selection which is maintained here is accepted and rejected lots by the time series. If you want to change the things, then you can select the appropriate, like if you want accept and rejected lots by the material and the plant, the layout will be changed here. Now the material is also coming. Previously it was not coming. Material number is 71. Here it is 58. You can easily see how many lots are rejected for this particular material in this plant and all. Number of accepted lot, number of rejected lots. The kind of information you want, you can select the appropriate one. If DMR is applied, then only you will get the data relevant to the skipped lots and all. So if I click on jump to, you will get the option to switch from one tile is inspection lot analytics. But if I want, I can switch to another tile, say inspection lot detail analytics. Then it is taking me to another tile. Okay, so that is possible. Different dimensions, then you can add those dimensions. Year wise, it is showing me in 2025 how much was the number of acceptance and the rejection. Different plant, how much it was in different year. We can make the changes in these settings if required. Charts which you want, you can select from here. If I select say pie chart, color indications are given for different plants and the year. If I select say this, it is showing me in 2025 for the plant 1000 number of acceptance slot is 137. The plant 1000, the acceptance and different materials. Inspection lot detail analytics. Just now we saw that it was giving me the option to switch to this tile. You are getting the option UD made on and you can specify the period. At present, it is taking 365 days. And if you want, you can change it as per the requirement, what kind of data you are looking for, past 6 months or 3 months or whatever. And let me keep it as it is at present. On the right side, you can find this hide filter bar. Okay, so if I click on this particular filter was removed. Let me click on show filter bar. Now it is coming. Okay, so if I click on filter, then if I want my data to be managed based on these criteria also, then I can specify the fields to be used. Click on continue. Then those fields will be displayed here in the selection criteria. If required, you can enter the appropriate filters, like if I enter 01 inspection type, lower half left side, if I click on add analysis steps, okay, then I can specify the category for which I want the data to be displayed. Select mean quality score based on which criteria you want the quality score to be displayed. So if I select mean quality score by the plant, double click on it, then what kind of chart you want to be displayed. Let me select column chart, graphical representation of the quality score. Plant name is coming. You can add few more things. This total lots by the material. These are the materials which are there. If you click on values, display value, then it will show you the quantity also for the lot and the material name. If I select, say, accept and rejection lot, and if I select any option, then again you can specify the chart in which you want. If I select, say, line chart for the acceptance and rejected lot by the material. You select, say, number of acceptance lot, it is highlighted. So graphical representation can be seen easily by the different criteria which you can apply. If you want to change the chart type, again, you can change it from here. You can add few more if you required, like total number of lots by, say, material. And this time I'm selecting, say, line chart. Okay, so how many lots of which material I got? So these are the material names, steel, cement, and all. Okay, so material and how many quantity was there for that particular lot, those information you can get. Whatever information you will add, you can easily see these things here. If I select, say, mean quality score, and based on which you want this quality score information to be displayed, that you can specify, say, score by the inspection type, and column chart I'm selecting. Okay, 01 filter I have added. Let me remove the filter. Inspection type are coming in the lower half part. This is recurring and all. This is 89. So the quality score is coming 100 only in most of the cases. If you want to change the chart layout, then you can change it. If I want to switch to another tile, say characteristics analytics, if I select, it is taking me to the characteristics analytics tiles to specify the criteria based on which you want the information to be displayed. So if I select, say, accepted and rejected inspection by the material and the plant, then the information related to that will come. Go back, it will ask you whether you want to save these analysis which you have added, because we have added different kind of combinations because it's a graphical representation and it gives you the clear picture of the data. Okay, so if you want, you can save these. At present, I'm not saving. Let's go back. And the characteristics and analytics based on your MIC, if you want the information, then you can specify that. Take this one, accepted and rejected by the MIC characteristics. MIC is taste, color, appearance, length, and all. Okay. Number of rejected and other things. Let's go back. If you want the detailed characteristics analytics, then you can check out this tile, okay, characteristics detailed analytics. Because here we can add multiple options. Already it is taking past 1 year data, and in the add analytics, you can again add the category for which you want the information to be displayed. Accepted and rejected inspection, then if I select material wise, then it is showing me that Other criteria, if you want to add in this, take standard deviation by the MIC. You can see these are the MICs which are used. 49.086 is a standard deviation for this. Non-conformance analytics. So if you want to analyze how many defects you found in a material or plant-wise, you want the reports, then you can select those combinations. These are the materials, and so these many defects are found. That information will come. Let's go back. It is a detailed one for the same non-conformance, detail analytics, filter for the date, previous year it is picking up. In add category, if I select, say, defects by plant, you need to specify the chart type which you want. Okay, very limited data is present in this. Multiple combination and categories you can add, based on which you can generate your chart. Because these are the reports which are present in, and they can easily see how many lots are skipped, how many lots are inspected, how many defects you have found in the, which characteristics you found more defects, and you can create the notification relevant charts also, like how many notifications has been created for which material, plant wise and all. You get the option for getting the information in the graphical format also.